Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you on how to use Notion AI to work faster. Welcome to our revolutionary journey into the world of Notion AI. In this tutorial, you will uncover the magic of extracting insights and action items from text, transforming the way you handle meeting notes and information retrieval. So let's get started. Imagine the possibilities, highlight text, and request Notion AI to summarize it. Perfect for internal docs and articles. Extract valuable insights from data by allowing Notion AI to identify common themes and patterns. Need coherent sentences from scrappy notes? Notion AI is at your service. Introducing the Notion AI blocks, your secret weapon for enhanced efficiency. With /AI, summon the power of AI summaries, action items, and custom text generation. Create templates with AI blocks, transforming your workspace into a productivity haven. And there you have it, a glimpse into the extraordinary capabilities of Notion AI. Say goodbye to time-consuming tasks and hello to streamlined workflows. As you explore, experiment, and integrate AI into your Notion journey, remember that your workspace is now your AI-enhanced ally. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.